Hey everyone, this is Mark Eric. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how to get 3 different amp sounds with your Tonex pedal. So normally you're in just A-B mode, which only gives you 2 sounds. So here I got the blue for rhythm, the red for lead. But if you hold the Alt switch down and the foot switch at the same time, you end up in this mode. And as you see, the blue, that's still my rhythm, and that's the channel that I'm on. The red would be the lead channel, which would be B. And over here, the turquoise color is now C. And you can toggle through the 3 sounds like so. As you can see, the blue knob is blinking. That is channel A. That's my rhythm sound. Now, lead. Now, C. Then back to rhythm. Now you could change these sounds without even connecting to the software. How you do that is just turn the knob. As you'll see, it'll change colors and you'll hear the different amps that are in it. Now, that will be my rhythm sound. You can do that with each one. And when you power down the pedal, it will remember that that's how you had it set.